Model, 2019 Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 130PS 350 L2H2 rear-wheel drive, spares OR repairs turbo needs replacing bargain starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 81,629. MOT, 23 May 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is all good, gearbox and clutch looks all good. This will make a very cheap ULEZ van open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, reversing camera, cruise control, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, CAT write-off in 2022. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on